Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd. This is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner of the video. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the gold has been kind of sideways today, but it's actually playing out just like I said this morning, which is likely going to go up, take out these previous highs, maybe even grab these highs. I think it's likely a wave A down. I think it's likely very corrective up for wave B. And then I think we're likely to get a push down to maybe the 38 or the 50% on the, well, this 1 hour time frame, but on the daily time frame, I think it is likely going to be a correction to the last impulsive move up. I was thinking this was a fifth wave extension on like the 4 hour time frame range. So maybe one more push up, grab some liquidity, and then down like that, and then I think probably up for wave five. Definitely still very bullish on the higher time frames. One thing to keep in mind is that the tariff news is coming out tonight, about 30 minutes after this video comes out at 9 p.m. GMT time. I'm not exactly sure how that tariff news is going to affect the gold or really the dollar pairs. We'll have to see. Pretty unusual event. So we'll have to see how it turns out. This is what I think is going to happen based on Elliot wave, but this is a pretty big fundamental event. So definitely make sure you use proper stop losses and be very careful. Proper risk management is key. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.